group projects sound great on paper. Teachers say things like, group work builds teamwork. It prepares you for the real world. You'll learn to collaborate. But what they don't say is this: group projects almost always turn into one person doing most of the work, while everyone else just exists. And somehow, no matter the class, no matter the subject, no matter the group, there is always that one person. You already know who I'm talking about. And today we're explaining why group projects always end up this way, why the same characters appear every single time, and why it feels like the system itself is broken. It always starts the same. The teacher says, "All right, everyone, this will be a group project." Instant reactions happen. One student gets excited. One student panics. One student stops listening entirely. At first, everything feels optimistic. Someone says, "Let's get an A on this." Another says, "Yeah, let's actually try." The group chat is created. Everyone sends a thumbs up emoji. For about 5 minutes, everything feels fine. This is the calm before the chaos. Every group project has the leader. They didn't ask for power, they didn't apply for the role. They were simply the first person to say, "So, how should we divide the work?" And that single sentence sealed their fate. The leader creates the Google Doc, assigns tasks, sets deadlines, sends reminders. "Hey guys, just checking in. Did anyone finish their part? Please reply." By the end, they're doing other people's work while pretending everything is fine. Next is the ghost. The ghost joins a group chat, says hello once, and then disappears. You can see them online. You can see them post stories. You can see them living their best life. But when you message them, nothing. Days pass. Deadlines approach. Suddenly, on presentation day, they reappear and say, "Sorry, I was busy." Busy doing what? No one knows. No one ever knows. Yet somehow they still get the same grade. Then there's the last-minute hero. They do absolutely nothing for most of the project. No replies, no progress, no contribution. But 2 days before the deadline, they suddenly panic. They send messages like, "Don't worry, I'll handle it." They work all night. They upload something at 3 a.m. And now they act like they saved the entire project. Did they help? Yes. Did they cause stress? Absolutely. Will they do this again? Without question. Now meet the overachiever. This person treats a simple assignment like it's their life's masterpiece. They say things like, "I improved it." But what they really mean is, "I changed everything." Suddenly what was meant to be easy becomes complicated, and now everyone is confused but too afraid to say anything. And finally, the "I thought you were doing it" person. This person is genuinely confused. They misunderstood the task, the deadline, the topic, possibly reality itself. They say things like, "Wait, we had to do that?" They're not lazy. They're not evil. They're just somehow always lost. And no matter how clearly things are explained, they never fully understand what's happening. So why does this happen in every group project? Because of shared responsibility. When responsibility is shared, ownership becomes unclear. Everyone assumes someone else will handle it. This is called responsibility diffusion. The more people involved, the less accountable each person feels. So naturally, leaders step up, ghosts disappear, panic heroes appear late, overachievers take control, confused people stay confused. It's not because people are bad, it's because the system rewards uneven effort. Group projects don't really test teamwork. They test patience, communication, emotional control, and sometimes your ability to accept unfairness. Because no matter how advanced society becomes, There will always be that one person in the group project, and somehow, it's always your group.